Wow! I am hardly able to contain myself. I have finally reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So in this video, I'm going to help you to achieve the same goal. So enjoy it. All right, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. What I need you to do right now is go grab a pen and paper because I'm going to teach you a lot of tips that are going to help you grow your channel. So the first thing you need to do is get your phone out and start recording. Stop making excuses on why you are not doing your YouTube channel, because the longer you put it off, the more time it's going to take you to reach that 1,000 subscribers and that 4,000 watch time hours. So stop making excuses, start recording. And when you record it in the landscape mode and don't record in the portrait mode. Because when you have it in portrait mode, it's going to have the black bars. And when you have it in landscape mode, it's going to eliminate the black bars. So looking at my first videos, I was in portrait mode and I have a lot of black bars. But I have gotten better and I'm able to make better videos because it comes with experience. Okay, and what you need to do is start with making one video at a time and pick out what you're good at. So say, for example, you're really good about goldfish. I want you to start making videos about goldfish. I want you to tell me why they don't have eyelids, why they don't blink, what makes goldfish unique from any other fish. You know, those are just tips. Start off making a video about 2 minutes long, and then the better you get, make it 5 minutes long. You gotta just keep going at it, keep grinding, because the more you do videos, the better you're going to get at it. So stop making excuses, start doing it. And also what you need to do is, what is your goal for YouTube? Do you want to be famous? Are you trying to be wealthy? So what is your goal? You have to have a plan. So write that down, what your goal is on YouTube. All right, so let's focus on, once you get your first 100 subscribers, which you have to actually talk to other people, look at their videos, and leave comments that are genuine. Don't go to someone's page and put, "Oh, I'm the first." No, watch the video and say, "Oh, Joe, I really liked your video because your dog was cute and I have an aunt that has a dog like yours." So start leaving genuine comments, because people are going to read your comments as well and go to your page, and if they like your content, they're going to subscribe to your channel. Another thing that you need to do is to keep at it. Don't give up. Yep, things happen, life gets busy, but you have to make a time where you're going to make that video at least once a week. You know, times get hard, yeah, life goes on, but you have to just do it. If you make excuses, you're never going to accomplish the 1,000 subscriber and the 4,000 watch time hours. Okay, and now when you reach your first 1,000 subscribers, you're going to get people that are going to leave emails. "Hey, AJ, this is John. I really like your content. You know, look me up. You know, for $954, you can get this plant." Nope, I don't want your plant. I think if you wanted to invest in me, you should have invested in me when I was trying to get my first 100 subscribers. So there's going to be a lot of people that are going to start sending you emails, you know, on how to make better thumbnails, or how to just figure out ways to make your channel better. And like I said, nope, you weren't there when I started, but if I need help, I'll ask for it in the future. So you're going to get a lot of spam, so be on the lookout for that. And now, for your 4,000 watch time hours, you have to make videos. You know, I don't care if your video is 5 minutes or 1 minute. As long as the video is good and straight to the point, you're going to get watch time hours. If you make a 10-minute video that only has 5 minutes of information, people are only going to watch 5 minutes of it. But if you have 5 minutes in your video that is really engaging, you're going to get the full 5 minutes. So when it comes to recording, it's hit and miss. You never know what you're going to get. But just make videos that are with the WIFM method. The WIFM is what's in it for me. So don't focus on what you can do. Focus on how you can help someone else that watches your videos. And now, when you reach the 4,000 watch time hours and the 1,000 subscribers, you'll get a confirmation letter that says, you know, congratulations, you're officially monetized. So you're able to monetize your videos. And that is definitely a plus when it gets to that part of your life. You know, so I just want to say that's about it for now. But I hope this video helped you, and I hope it was encouraging. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.